Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Fiat 500 oil light. This easy method helps you clear that pesky service reminder without any special tools. Keeping your oil light reset after an oil change is crucial for accurate maintenance tracking. It's a quick process that ensures your car's computer knows its service is complete, helping you maintain your vehicle's longevity and reliability for many miles to come. To begin, simply insert your car key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, which is the second click, but be sure not to start the engine. You should see all your dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the car's electrical system is active. This initial step prepares your Fiat 500 for the reset sequence, setting the stage for the next crucial action. Now, with the ignition on and the engine off, fully press the accelerator pedal down to the floor 3 times. It is important to complete these 3 presses within a quick 10-second window. After the 3rd press, keep an eye on your dashboard. The oil change indicator light should flash briefly and then turn off, signaling that the reset process has been successfully initiated. Once the oil light has flashed and turned off, you can then turn the ignition completely off. Remove your key, wait a few seconds, and then reinsert it to start your engine as usual. The oil light should now remain off, confirming the reset was successful. If it stays on, simply repeat the entire process carefully. This simple method helps keep your Fiat 500 running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.